Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let's take a look at a $2.2 million beach home. This is here on New Smyrna Beach, and they've got a problem back here. Water's coming up through the floor in the rear of the home. Beach homes are a little different than regular homes built inland. There are many different codes that they have to follow in order to build these homes. If you watch our channel and you're a regular subscriber, you should have the knowledge in order to fix this problem. If you're a new subscriber, still take a look and tell us, what would you do to fix this problem? You can see the piers. These are concrete piers. They go down about 40 feet. But look at that erosion taking place under the home. This is tremendous erosion. This water's coming from the front of the home, coming all the way through and pulling that sand out from under the home. It's basically hollow underneath. So what needs to be done to correct this problem? Put your answer in the comments box below and tell us, how would you fix this problem? Our solution will be much different than yours, but put your answer in the comments below. See if you have the knowledge to correct this type of a problem with this kind of erosion on the beach. Like I said, this water is coming from the front of the home and it's running all the way underneath. The foundation is very deep and very large, very strong. It's not going to fall down, but they've still got that problem of water rising up under the home. How would you fix this problem? Let's walk around the rest of the house. Maybe you'll get some more clues or some ideas as we walk around. Here in the front, everything looks really normal. The grade in the front is good. Everything flows away from the home. Hopefully, as they pour the driveway, that also will grade away from the home and down to the street. So how would you fix that problem in the back of the house? Water has been rising up through the floor, getting into this room and as well as the patio. So how do we fix this problem? Basically, under this home, it is totally hollow. Take a look at this. I'll put my hand up here so you can see it. But there is a giant void under the home. And when it rains, it fills up with water. That water rises up and comes up into the floor above. Test your drainage knowledge. Put your answer in the comments below. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.